Hello, my name is Charles Kramer, and I'm a solutions engineer here at C1. And today I'm going to talk about user access reviews and how ConductorOne can make your life easier. So with a traditional user access review, you're going to have your data gathering stage, you're going to have your certification stage, and then you're going to have your remediation stage. So with your data gathering, you're going to have your fleet of individuals and app owners go to their applications and gather data. People are out of office, people are busy. This is not, generally speaking, a high priority task. So by the time you get one document or your final document, your first one might be a month old. So we've got to go back to that owner and say, hey, can we get up-to-date data? Okay, great. Now we've gotten to a stage where we have all of our data. Now we need to know how to send that off to individuals so they can make decisions on every one of those line items. Those individuals don't have a lot of context. They just have the name. They have potentially the role of the person and the access they have in the application. They are eventually going to make a decision. And once they've done that, you're going to have a set of remediation tasks for any time that access should be removed. So from here, it's going to go to some poor fellow in IT working on their laptop who's got to remove each of these pieces of access over some period of time. Before you know it, the next quarter started and you have to repeat this process. With ConductorOne, we're going to have a system that's going to speak to all of your applications every hour at least to understand who's inside of these applications and what permissions they have. Now, whether you're doing a certification or you're just trying to review a particular day or week's activities, you're going to be able to pull a report of all this access. You're going to have information on that individual, how they sit in the organization, how people inside those applications, entitlements are spread throughout the organization, and all that context is going to be bundled up and delivered to the appropriate person to do that review. Now, maybe that's the application owner, maybe it's the manager, maybe it's the manager and then the application owner. In any of these cases, ConductorOne is going to coordinate that work. And as they give their responses back, we're going to automatically, wherever there's a denial, restrict that access. So as soon as you kick this off, as quickly as you can get your respondents through get back, the work's going to be done and your environment's going to be cleaned up.